Preparing a great Italian meal requires quality ingredients that are simply prepared. It also takes a great passion for fresh food. With precision heat control, you can create a delicious Italian meal with more certainty than ever before. Fuel your confidence for any dish with Wolf Gas Cooktops. The secret to precision heating is Wolf's dual-stacked burner design. Those burners offer heat outputs as high as 18,000 BTU, but with enough low-flame finesse to delicately melt chocolate and hold true simmers on a sauce for hours on end without scorching. It's like having two burners in one. New performance enhancements make delicious results even more of a certainty than ever before, like illuminated cool-to-touch knobs that are easy to use, providing infinite flame control. Or never having to worry about a flame going out with auto reignition flame recognition and features. And if you spill a little sauce, cleanup is simple with the seamless stamped stainless steel burner pan. These cooktops blend effortlessly with existing kitchen design. Options are flexible with 3 distinct styles: contemporary, transitional, and professional, in multiple sizes. Wolf is bringing true performance heritage to more kitchens than ever before. The transitional stainless steel and black glass design makes it a natural fit for kitchens that blend traditional and contemporary elements. And the two-tone black and stainless knob adds a distinctive design feature. Sizes are available in 15, 30, and 36 inches. The professional style has a single-piece stainless steel construction that is accented by continuous cast iron porcelain-coated grates and signature Wolf red knobs. Or choose optional black and stainless knobs. The stainless steel control panel has laser-etched graphics that never wear off. Sizes are available in 30 and 36 inches.